On everybody, welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that notification bell, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, I make them 3 times a day. In this video, we are going to do a deep dive into Langley Federal Credit Union. There is some gems here, people, and you guys are going to want to stick with me the entire way. But before I get into this entire review, I want to give a huge shout out to all my first-time viewers. I don't take your time for granted. This whole channel is about all stuff and no fluff. Very conversational videos where we get right to the data points, right to the credit tips and tricks. And so join the conversation today in the comment section. And I'd love to hear from you with your questions, comments, concerns, and your opinions. So definitely drop a comment. And if you can smash that like button, I'd appreciate it. And for all of you radical marketers out there, double salute. You guys are blowing up the channel with your daily comments and liking of all the videos, sending it through the algorithm. We are quickly becoming one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in the finance space, so it's all because of you. So also, before I get into this too, join the private Facebook group. We do daily tips and tricks. It's totally free to join. There's no spamming allowed at all. And then also, if you guys want to get at me personally, you can hit me up on Instagram at the Radical Marketer, Radical Radikal. So links in the description below. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to go over Langley Federal Credit Union. I will be doing a couple other videos on a deep dive on some of their products, but this is just going to be an overview. I'm going to go as fast as I can and really focus on the products that I think could help all of you guys. So rock with me. Basically, they're in Newport News, VA. I used to live there. Shout outs, Work Boulevard. And Newport News, Virginia. And they have $2.8 billion in assets and one of the top 100 largest credit unions in the United States. Now, Langley Federal Credit Union is going to be a definite different beast. Let me go over some of the data points on how to join, and then we're going to jump right into the different products. If you guys have Langley, throw it in the comment section how you guys like Langley, what you guys have with Langley, and if you guys like Langley or not. Throw a fire emoji if you love it. Now, as far as membership, there's going to be no geo restrictions. You can open up an account with a savings account of at least $5, but here's a gem for you guys, because you know I'm dropping gems. You know how I like to liquidate credit cards? Well, you can fund your account with $1,000. Yes, you can. You can pull $1,000 off your credit card and move it right to the Langley Federal Credit Union, and then I think it's like 50 grand on a wire transfer if you want to do that. But the credit card is going to be super valuable for you, and it's also going to help you get more data points. So if you guys actually apply for any credit products, you already have a grand sitting in the bank, starting somewhere instead of nowhere. Now, another thing that I wanted you guys to know about is they are going to check systems. And I am hearing that it's a soft pull for membership, but some of the FICO forums also say that it is a hard pull. So what I would recommend is lock the credit, lock your Equifax, because that's what they're going to be pulling from. You can lock all of the bureaus if you want, but they're going to hard pull from Equifax FICO 5. So if you want to be safe, let them do your check systems, and then freeze or lock your credit reports there, and then unfreeze your third-party bureaus, because that can kind of give you a hiccup sometimes. So check systems, yes. Unfreeze third-party bureaus. Hard pull from Equifax on all of their products, FICO 5. Soft pull for membership, but there are some data points saying it could be a hard pull. So to avoid all that, if you lock them, then you'll know if they try to pull from it or not. Also, one of the nice things about all of their products that I go over today, you can double dip off the inquiries. And you can always lock, after you do one product, you can always lock it again, just so that they don't accidentally double pull for a product. So if you apply for a credit card, hard pull, right? And then you want to go for a personal loan, well, I would have my Equifax locked just in case they accidentally double pull, and then call in and have them help me out. But that's just something I would do. And then, like I said, you can fund $1K with a credit card, and all of the inquiries are good for 30 days that you can double dip on. Now, I thought something was super interesting. They offer personal and business. Their business looks pretty good as well, but let's jump in right to some of their personal products. Now, I wanted to make a couple notes on this. Personal loans can go 9% APR, no origination, no prepayment penalties. I love it, no fees. Terms up to 96 months. People, that's 8 years. That's amazing. I haven't seen an 8-year loan. Have you guys seen it? Let me know in the comment section. Same day funding. I love that. Now, here's what I was really wanting to show you guys. It tells you the difference between a loan and a line of credit, as you guys can read that. What do I need to apply for a loan? In many cases, nothing at all. Many cases, nothing at all. Sometimes we might ask for proof of your income and verify your address. So what I'm reading from that, many cases, which means a majority of the time, if your credit is good, they may not even ask for proof of income at all. So you guys could literally pull this personal loan. I'm seeing limits up to $40,000. Let me know what you guys have on the data points. But literally pull nothing at all and then maybe require proof of income. Worst comes to worst, they require proof of income. You can't provide it. You don't go through with the loan. But that could be worth it, people. One hard pull on Equifax for that once you have a banking relationship. And then how long does a personal loan application take? It's processed while you wait. If you're going through our online channel or mobile application, most should have an answer in just a few minutes. That is crazy. Okay. So I really wanted to harp on that same day funding. A very good chance is there's no POI, instant decision, 8 years, and 9% interest rate. Let's keep rocking. Pretty good so far. Line of credit, I like that APR a lot, 7.25. I'm seeing same day funding. There's going to be a rebate when you pay back through your checking account, encouraging relationship banking. And then also, I'm thinking, since they group these together, do you need proof of income? I'm thinking sometimes we might. Guys, I'm thinking that I'm going to do an entire video on this and get some more data points, but I'm thinking that they're not going to do any proof of income for the personal line of credit or the line of credit, because though personal line of credit or the loan, because those are usually locked together whenever you're looking for funding. So this could be a game changer. You go into Langley, you drop $1,000 in there, and then you apply for the personal line of credit first, and then maybe a credit card if you wanted to, or both. I would go for the line of credit first because credit lines are easier to liquidate than credit cards, and there's no cash advance fees, and it's liquid money for infinite banking, velocity banking, all of that. Check out all of my playlists. I'm doing crazy videos, 3 videos a day. So make sure you're watching all the videos on financial literacy, credit hacks, tips, infinite banking, you name it. We got it. All the best credit unions as well, so you can see who you want to bank relationship with. I also don't recommend doing more than 5 credit unions, 5 to 7 in a 12-month time frame, just because you could run into an issue with check systems and being denied. But Langley's getting really interesting because they look like a super duper relationship bank. Let's keep rocking. They do have the debt consolidation at 11%. A lot of time, debt consolidation, they want to pay it off for you. They don't usually give you the funds, but to each its own. I'm not really going to focus on the debt consolidation. You guys can check it out on your own. Student loans look pretty sweet. Obviously, ODU's right by there in Norfolk. So you're going to have student loan refi, ODU alumni refi, and then undergrad and graduate. But here's the crazy thing. We offer a line of credit structure so you can borrow once for your full undergraduate or graduate career and only pay back what you owe. Flexible repayment and in-school deferment options and no origination or pre-penalties. I would check this out. You guys can find out your rate, but they look like they're really helpful with their student loans as well. So just wanted to mention that because some of you guys have student loan debt that's holding you guys back from getting real estate, or it's just killing you on your credit report. So definitely look into that and see if that's a good option for you guys. Just wanted to make you aware of it. You got a credit builder loan. Want to go over some details with that. 4.05% from 500 to 2K. It's going to be a hard pull. Within 12 months, you can repay that. The difference between a shared secured and a credit builder is a credit builder is not going to be your money put up. So basically, they're going to fund it, and then you're going to make your monthly payment. At the end, you get to have your loan back. And at the savings secured, you put up the money, and then they create a loan from that, and then unlock it once it's all paid off. So it's the same thing, but you get to leverage your money more on a shared secured loan. So just want to let you guys know the difference: personal line of credit and then personal loan as well. We already went over those. First, they have some crazy real estate things that I wanted you guys to know of. They have the first-time homebuyer program, which I'm going to do a separate video on, so look out for that. Make sure you're subscribed. Smash the like button and subscribe button. 100% financing with no down payment required. No PMI. Flexible loan products to meet your needs, including fixed and variable terms, VA loans and FHA loans, competitive interest rates, and earn a rebate up to $37.50 by using Langley Real Estate Services. So it's their way of giving you a kickback for you working with their people. And then you can obviously see your payment, things like that. what you're going to need to have prepared: 2 years of tax returns, 2 years of employment history, upfront costs, and you guys can kind of go through this. This is like more of the standard stuff out there. And then they also have VA mortgages. If you go here to personal, they have jumbo mortgages, VA mortgages, FHA mortgages. So you guys can check that out as well and see, because there's a lot of military down there in VA. My dad was military as well. So you don't actually have to be military like Navy Federal with Langley. So this is completely open to anybody nationwide. So it's a game changer. It's a relationship credit union for sure. FHA mortgages, low down payments with Langley. Okay, you guys can look at that on your own time. And then we'll close that out as well. And then we have our home equity line of credit, 1.99% on a 7-year fix, 12-year, 17, and 40. Okay, you guys already know how I feel about HELOCs. They're amazing. You guys can look into this more on your own, but they got some incredible HELOC products. And the last thing I wanted to focus on before we get out of here is their business. Now, what I would recommend all of you guys do when you sign up for a personal account, if you have a business, which you should, if you don't have one, go start one. Tons of benefits and high access to limit credit funding. It's super easy to do. I'll be doing a whole playlist on that soon. No monthly maintenance fees, so it's going to be a free business checking account, free debit card, free night deposits, and then you're going to have free QuickBooks interface, so that's going to be super helpful. Whether your business is a sole prop, partnership, LLC, corp, we have options to suit your needs. And so it tells you what you need for that. But here's the cool thing. Once you get that, it's going to be easy to get their Platinum Visa credit card that does not report to the personal credit bureaus. You will have to PG the card if you download the application so you guys can see it. There is a couple things that you'll need. Business tax return for the most fiscal year. If tax returns are, then you'll need a financial statement is required. And then if your business is under a year old, you'll need a couple extra things to be prepared. But you can look all the way down here and fill this out. But it's gonna be pretty a pretty good card to have. And the thing that I like about it is if you're already having a business checking with them, you're already building that relationship up to get that credit card. And then they also have personal loans. You can get a vehicle for Turo or a hire car, business acquisition, refi of business debt, loans up to 10 years, bridge loans, lines of credit. But it's all going to come through relationship banking. So in my opinion, I think Langley is a good credit union to go with. I don't know if that would be my first option if I only have 5 to 6 to 7 to go with a year. But I do like them because if that line of credit is actually no proof of income and it goes off of your Equifax, which most people don't pull Equifax. If there's a no proof of income loan or line of credit with Equifax, that could be a game changer for you guys, because some of you guys could, you can read between the lines. All right, so that is going to be that's going to be a game changer. I think Langley's going to be a solid choice. I'll be doing some more individuals products on Langley, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute, and add me on Instagram at Radikal Marketer, spell it with a K. Take care now. Peace.